In today's video, I'm going to be trying to build LEGO sets without using their instructions, so make sure to watch till the end to see if it's a success or a failure, and don't forget to subscribe as I'm trying to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and we are so close to hitting that goal. But with that out of the way, enjoy the video. Now the plan is to build one of the sets using only images from the box, however for the second build I have to do it without any images to help me and completely guess at what I'm doing. So I got the two sets and began building. Since I can't use instructions, I'm going to have to use these as my only way to tell what I'm building, which is probably going to be quite challenging as I don't know how I'm going to do like all the inside parts or all the small details based off of these two images. Okay, so I finished the figures, as you can see. Got Jay and this guy, I don't know what he's called. But I think now what I'm going to do is move on to that little spider bit there, as it seems like probably a pretty easy bit to do. Okay, so I finished the spider, which was quite easy. It's like a very simple build. But now I've got to move on to the hard part, which is the bike. Update on the build. This is what I've got so far. I don't think it looks too much like the image. Yeah, I've got no idea what I'm doing, so this is probably gonna go very wrong. Okay, so these are the parts that I have left after building, and this is the final build. As you can tell, they're identical. I mean, just look at the similarities between the two. You know, the wheels might be about to fall off, but that doesn't matter. It has more personality. Oh. Okay, so these are all the parts that I have left after finishing the build of the Ghost Rider car. And this is the final product. What a wonderful car. I think it looks even better than the original. You know, you've got all the flames in the back. He's got a bit of a sunroof so he can let his hair blow in the wind. And then we've got the front, nice little truck. And the wheels might not spin on the front, but they do spin on the back, so that's a positive. Okay, so now that I've finished the two builds, I'll leave it up to you guys in the comments to vote on which you think is better. But thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe.